Before viewing our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tap the bell icon, so you are the first to know when we post the new videos.
Most health conditions and issues can be successfully treated by making lifestyle and dietary changes. This also applies to hormonal balance. In order to balance your hormone levels, you need to change your diet, start consuming healthier foods, and also exercise more. Hormonal imbalance is a growing health concern around the world. It causes symptoms such as PMS, headaches, digestive problems, and irregular periods, and is pretty difficult to resolve. Luckily, there are many natural foods which you can add to your diet in order to restore your hormonal balance. Herbs can help as well. Here are the top 10 Chinese herbs that can balance your hormones without adverse side effects. Dangui. Dangui is a powerful ancient Chinese herb that will help you if you're yin deficient. Dangui is full of phytoestrogens which can balance your hormones and can be consumed in the form of tea. Goji berries. Goji berries are full of antioxidants and are great for balancing your hormones. The powerful berries can even improve the quality of your skin. Consume a handful of goji berries every day or drink a cup of goji tea to restore the balance of your hormones. Longan. The longan fruit is great against insomnia, fatigue and anxiety, and will also nourish your blood and relax your mind. In the Chinese cuisine, this tasty fruit is often added to oatmeal or desserts. Astragalus root. This powerful herb can treat anemia and improve the production of young energy in your body. Astragalus root will also reinforce your immune system and improve your energy levels, effectively preventing a variety of infections. American ginseng. Although most of us know about the benefits of Chinese ginseng, the American ginseng is much more powerful. It can balance your yin and yang energy production, improve your libido, and treat insomnia and various digestive disorders as well. The herb is usually consumed in the form of tea. Chinese wild yam. This herb is ideal if you are lacking qi. It will also boost your kidney function and, of course, balance the levels of your hormones. Lotus seed. The lotus seed will improve your blood chart and regulate your hormones, while also boosting the function of your reproductive system as well. It can treat anxiety and insomnia, and can be added to any kind of dish or meal. White peony root. This herb will calm down your liver and resolve any menstrual problems as well. Add it to soup or stews or consume white peony root in the form of tea. Chinese red dates. These rare dates will improve the flow of your qi energy and can be found in most Chinese markets. You can add them to your smoothies, soups or stews. Black sesame seeds. We all know everything about the white sesame seeds, but the black sesame seeds are more beneficial and will resolve numerous hair and digestive problems. Add them on sautéed vegetables or in your cereal for best results. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.